In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing. So first way is to go to the top right on the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll down until you see account types and tools. And first click switch to professional account. Go through the steps and then you will switch to a professional account. Second way is to just update the app from the App Store. Just go to your App Store, search, type in Instagram and update it if needed. And the second way is to go to your settings, type in storage, general, and from here you will be able to find Instagram. Click on it and then you will offload the app and potentially delete it from here as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.